Good morning, teacher. My name is Jaime Alberto Diaz. Manifestation, danger, and stage. 1. Change in urine behavior. Irregulation urine appetite changes. 2. Digestive problem. Stomach pains, diarrhea, constipation. 3. Negative feeling and depression, tension, sad, mood low. 4. Exhausting, energy low, troubles spleen. 5. Level of breathing, attached pain, acute stress. 6. Sentence views, nicotine, SRC, alcohol. Goodbye, teacher.